Welcome back to Evolving Mail. So yesterday I posted a video. Some of you have seen, maybe not on my channel necessarily, but across the internet, you've seen this woman talking about treating patients. And right after this came out, it's the next day, even that night, my wife posted the video of them standing outside some courthouse or something talking. They took it down like an hour later. Well, I posted a video last night showing some of this interview, and I got an email this morning before I even knew it was down from YouTube saying they took it down. This is the liberal crap. Now, I'm not saying I believe everything this woman's saying. I'm not saying that I fully expect it to be true, but it is an alternative idea. It is an alternative possibility. And who is the media to tell us what to believe? This is where things get sticky. This is or slippery. This is them telling us what to believe and what not to believe. If this information is true, then we got people that are hiding it from us. If it's not true, we're in this nanny state where everybody feels the need to take care of us, and I don't agree with that. I agree with getting all the information out there and being able to make up my own mind. I mean, look at all the crap that they put out on TV, CNN, Fox, both. Just a bunch of crap from both sides. One's one extreme, one's the other. The truth is somewhere in the middle, or all entangled like spaghetti, I'm sure. But they just decide that we're going to believe what they want us to believe. They do this all the time. But now, social media, Facebook, YouTube, Lord knows TikTok, and everybody else is next. And I just don't agree with this. Why can't we hear what she has to say? Why can't we make up our own minds? So stay tuned as we dig more into this. See you guys later. Bye.